Hey y'all, so we are back at the beach house today and it is looking so crazy. Hasn't changed too much from the last time I showed you, but the upstairs is starting to come along and I wanted to show you how good the floors are looking. It's gonna be so pretty. So let's go upstairs and take a look at the floors. Okay, so we're on the stairs and coming up and they started installing the floors today. Look how beautiful they're looking. So they took up the hearth that was right here, and it actually was so nice. It came up in one piece, so that was so good. And then they put down this little plastic layment underneath. And so they're getting the floors done. They got the top oak tread here. So that looks nice. And they're just kind of working their way through. So yeah, it's looking so good, guys. Look how pretty the color looks. The sun coming in. Let's see if I can get another little glimpse of it. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, you can see a little bit better here. And I like that this has cork underneath, so it's going to help with sound. And also love how wide the planks are. So I think they were 9 inches wide. Yeah, so the look is really, really pretty. It's supposed to kind of mimic like a white oak. So yeah, it's real nice. Okay, so just a little quick update on how everything is looking. We're so excited about it, and I'll keep you updated as the progress goes along. I've already got to take a sneak peek at the floor treads, and they're so beautiful too. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye, friends.